Hello everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another video. Guys, today I am going to Goa for my official office trip. This opportunity has come after 1 year. It was a very long time that there was no meetings, and specifically we are meeting the US and Spain folks. So usually our all meetings happen regularly, but the US and Spain folks, we don't meet on a regular basis. So this time they said that the meeting will happen and we should decide a good destination. The entire office voted for the destination Goa, and that is the reason today we are going to Goa. So I'm going to take you all with me in this journey. So come with me and stay tuned, and let's get started with the video. We are starting with the Goa office trip. This trip's main focus is certain business presentation from certain team members, and since this place is Goa, we are also going to explore the Goa city. But the main thing is a get together from all the folks located in the USA, Spain. These are the two countries where most of our employees are located. So yeah, let's begin this Goa office trip. Hello everyone, hi. My name is Madhumita and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special vlog because today I am going to Goa. Yes guys, I am going to Goa for an office conference. So this conference has been arranged by my office and it is in Goa. And cannot wait to share you all my journey. So I have reached the airport and I have checked in my luggage. This is my hand baggage, and yeah, so we are a team of people who will be going to Goa. So I'm just waiting for my team, and yeah, super excited because I have never been to Goa. Like I have been to Goa when I was young, when I was a child, but after that I never got a chance to go to Goa. So I am really looking forward to go to Goa and see and explore and also attend the conference. Now we are at the airport. From a long time we had not met our US team members and Spain team members, so it was decided that this year we have to meet all the team members for discussing about work and everything. But the destination was won as Goa by majority of the members of India team members, and the reason they selected Goa because who doesn't like Goas and beaches, and everybody said that apart from work we can all have some fun, also go for beaches also. So yeah, looking forward for the conference and other sightseeing activities. I will keep you posted, so keep following my vlog. All set. My gate, now just waiting for the final call.
Street 1 to Chennai. All passengers are requested to proceed to gate number 6 immediately. Thank you.
Guys, we are going to Goa. Most of the plane is filled with our office people. The plane was moderately empty, but yeah. So most of the seats were filled at the back side, and we have landed and we are at Goa now. As you can see, our entire team is walking in unity and we are just checking out of the airport. Last thing is to collect our luggage, and we can see some beautiful shopping items at the airport. Waiting for the checked in luggage at the check-in belt, and yeah, once that's done we'll get into the car. हाँ थैंक यू बस
India up close, ना रे?
Yeah, India up close. That.
Show first and give
अच्छा ही है. Beach tiles.
One thing about the roadways from the airport to our resort was the roads were very nicely made. It was broad, very less traffic. Though the route commute time is around 1.5 hours, but there was no traffic. Roads were well built and very easy to commute and drive. So we all loved this part about the airport roads from the Goa airport to our resort.
सनडाउन अच्छा होता है. आप 5:30 या 6 बजे जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत सुंदर नज़ारा देखने को मिल जाएगा. उधर वाटर स्पोर्ट्स भी होते हैं. अगर आप जल्दी 4 बजे जाएंगे तो वाटर स्पोर्ट्स कर सकते हैं वागाटोर में. उधर एक 2 किलोमीटर पे शापोरा फोर्ट है. आपके होटल
हैदराबाद में
गोवा बीचेस्ट सी
That part is different.
Guys, right now we have touched down Goa and I am going to show you all the clips of the property where we are staying. The name of the property is called as Ibis Vagator Beach Resort. It's a 5-star hotel resort. You can search it on the internet. And yeah, so look at this beach resort, see everything, and yeah, I hope this video helps. Having breakfast at Goa. have reached the lobby of our hotel. We're gonna stay over here. This is the lobby of our hotel. Very, very beautiful. I'll show you. Just look at this. Hello everyone, I have reached my resort. It's Ibis Styles Vagator and this is where we are staying. Come with me, I'll show you the resort. And we are entering the hotel Ibis Styles Vagator Beach Resort. This is the reception area. This is where all our bookings are done. And now I am taking you all to our room area. So we drag our suitcases from this passageway and we are going to go to our room. Mind you guys, our rooms were located extremely far away from the reception area. Okay, we have a gym here. Gym is a quick fit check before I check into my room. I really love this top and this entire attire. This is giving pure Goa vibes, and this is the pool area where 2 swimming pool, a baby pool and the major pool for adults were located. Hello everyone, so I have received my room. Are you ready to see the room tour? Come with me. I am going to show you my room tour now. And let's enter. Let me put my card here. It's done. Let me show you the room. Just so beautiful. But before we enter, we have a cupboard situation. Okay, we have cupboard here, and that's the cupboard, and this is the room. Let me show you. So this is a place where we can keep things, suitcase and the mirror. Yeah, this is me. Actual room. Look at the room, guys. This is the room. Look at the view. Oh my god, I have a balcony. I have a balcony. And again, the room. And the washroom. And the shower area.
2,000 years later.
Welcome to my room. So this is the room that I have got. Behind me you can see the cupboard that you already saw, and obviously you can see the mirror that you already saw, and that's the mirror. And here are some tea sets, water bottles and a fridge and a locker. There's a stool, and the best part is the sofa. I loved the sofa. That is something which I loved, and obviously the bed. Who doesn't like a hotel bed? And yeah, TV, obviously, balcony. Sliding the door open. Look at the view, guys. The balcony. The view of the balcony is amazing. Going back inside again, and this is the view. So pretty. Now we are going towards the garden and the main pool area. Right, the photos are only going to stay. Yeah, I got a good frame. Comes
Because the sun is facing that,
that
side.
side.
But we wanted.
I'm so tired that I have to tie a bun. Now we are going for exploring a market in Goa. So yeah, come with me, everyone.
1 hour later.
We have BTS videos.
अरे थोड़ा ओपन कर रहा है
Yeah.
Have a license. Even I have a license, but I don't. That's what I'm saying. The wildest experience in Goa. I have a license. Even my uncle used to work in Goa. Judge.
The transport system in Goa is not that very good. Hence, we have to rely on self-drive cars and self-drive bikes, and that's the reason we all have come on this self-drive car. We all have reached the Goa Flea Market. This entire market was covered with Goa-style boho things, which consisted of dream catchers, Goa-style jewelries, artifacts, clothing items, and so on. It was a treat to watch. Most of the items were very, very expensive, and that is the reason we could not really indulge in buying them. It's so nice. But you played it much better.
का bottle you can buy and then I can actually do it. एक शीशे का bottle I have to buy souvenirs. तो शीशे का bottle लेके बीच में sand डाल के थोड़ा.
3 hours later.
Now I'm going to take you all the beaches of Goa and see how you all like it. Guys, now I can finally say that I am in Goa. Guys, now I can finally say that I am in Goa. Finally, I am in Goa. This is the Anjuna beach where we have come here. Just so beautiful. Coming to Goa after such a long time. The weather is so nice. It's so calm, chilly, and look at the view. Finally came on the beach. God, so super amazing. Lovely, lovely. And guys, can you see the beach is so clean? Like, this is Goa, and not just clean. The beach is very less crowded, clean, and yes, it's sunny, but I'm not really feeling hot. It's fine, it's okay. It's just so good. Like the weather is really nice. And when we are in Goa, how can I not take the main character energy shots, the heroine shots, the main lead shots, and the main person shots, team lead shots, manager shots, president shots, and main character shots switched on the video. These are the moments that we live for. How can I not record a small memory that I will take it along with me and which will stay with me for my entire lifetime, and hence I recorded this. Now we all are heading back to our respective hotel after watching this Anjuna beach. There is a huge issue of transport systems in Goa. So there were no Ubers or Ola available. Yes, there were Ubers and Ola available, but what happens is once you book the Uber and Ola, they will call you, the drivers will tell you, hey, you know what, can you please pay 1,000 rupees? So we did not want to do that.
The next day.
अरे बाप रे, थैंक गॉड स्पोर्ट्स शूज करेक्ट टाइम पे त्याग दिया. Guys, we are in our most favorite beach. I wanted to share the photos first before the video. This is the Vagatar Goa beach. So clean, so beautiful, so much fun and so scenic. We really enjoyed this. We went to this beach on the 3rd day of our conference trip. So yeah, this is so beautiful. Can't really share all the photos, but yeah, please see the photos and try and see the video.
Okay. Do you want to even run into the what I'll do that?
La la la. So less time, and we have to take videos also, photos also. Sun is also setting. And these moments are the moments which will stay with us, and that's why we always take a video. Hello everyone, so we are on the mini Vagatar beach. So this beach is a Vagatar beach, but it's a little towards the sideways, hence it's called as mini Vagatar beach. Beaches of North Goa.
तीर्थ यात्रा.
बहुत ज़्यादा फेक है ये.
6 hours later.
देखो जब ग्रुप होता है ना उसमें जो आता है वो खा लेना चाहिए तो ज़्यादा पूछोगे नहीं मिलता।
Oh God, I got. Guys, I just came back to my room and I've just come. I've just worn some comfortable night clothes. The first day was so hectic. We did so many activities, went to the beach, ate good food, went to Goa flea market, and it's dead tired. I have not slept the previous night, and from I and even previous night, like from 2 nights I have not slept at all. So I've been awake for like around 48 hours, you can say. So it's fully dead. So yeah, let's see what happens next and continue watching this video.
Tomorrow.
And doing a quick outfit fit check. So really loved this one collar outfit with a design near the neck area, which was giving a very good effect. So as I was wearing this outfit, I actually received a call stating that, hey, we need to wear sports outfits. Hello everyone, hi. So today is the second day and today we are going for the conference, and the conference is designed in a different manner. The conference theme is Squid Games. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to conduct an entire conference with the theme of Squid Games. The theme has been kept as Squid Games, which means we will be playing Squid Games type of games, and we have to solve a business case problem and projects which include AI. So we have to pitch to the jury what kind of projects can be made with artificial intelligence, keeping security in mind, and these projects, this business case are divided into 4 sections, and those 4 sections are the Squid Game section. So the first game we are going to play red light, green light. The second section we are going to play the Dalgona coffee, and we have to carve out the shape. The third game we have to play with the marbles. I'm going to show you everything in the video so that it's easier for you to understand. Welcome to the day 2, guys. Let the games begin. Got on my table, and I'll be working from here.
More than 4 max.
Quick. That's how you do it, yes. 2 people go there. Any two. 1, 2, 3.
I was in the state of shock because can you see the entire Squid Game styled companions and facilitators were here. This was huge. If anybody knows Squid Games will understand what I'm talking about. Okay. Guys, we have the Squid Game team at our place. Squid Game team, they will shoot us. लड़की मतलब डॉल थोड़ा स्ट्रेट होती ना परफेक्ट all the business clues are given here in a gaming format so that it becomes little fun as well as little nice to play.
Listen to me. We are, however, standing on the wrong side. The end zone is only after you successfully complete 3 laps around the periphery of the hall and cross this line, which is right over here. If you step inside the
A few moments later.
starts off in 3, 2, and 1. You can go and hang out with your team.
Guys, I did the cookie challenge and I broke this in the sense I completed it properly. Guys, I did the cookie challenge of Squid Game and it's a perfect circle. And with that, we have come to an end of the Squid Games corporate edition business presentation event. It was so much fun. We had so much fun, and this was such an innovative way to present our ideas and to present the projects which have AI and business case scenario. Thank you.
2,000 years later.
Just wanted to share the food arrangements that we had at our venue. There was so amazing pani puri, pizzas, momos, and so on. All set for the dinner. I had a dance performance, and of course there was a normal performance with everybody, and everybody was जो है समा कल हो ना हो. Okay, my friend wants to say something. Can you please tell?
She is a better dancer when compared to all in this stage.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
आज मधुमिता का अंदर जो डांसर है वो बाहर आया. कितना अच्छा डांस किया मधुमिता. इतना अच्छा क्या स्टेज में मेरे को 2 आंख बस नहीं हुआ आपको देखने के लिए. Amazing, super duper bumper dancer.
Thank you.
You are not a normal dancer.
Yeah. Oh well, I don't drink. That's the issue. कभी जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जियो जो है One final meeting with everyone before we leave, and here we were.
खुश हो गए दुखी हो गए.
This is my dinner. I don't like any other thing. So nice to see everyone on the dance floor, and this was like a year-end celebration. So nice to see this. Cannot use the audio of the song, obviously, but just took little clips for the celebrations that we were having. And these are the only things that will stay with us forever of this conference trip.
6 hours later.
We all have decided that we all are going to go to Baga Beach, Goa, and this was a sudden plan, and we just wanted to see the beach. So damn beautiful. We are in Baga Beach. This is Baga Beach, guys. Sitting right beside the beach on the shacks, and this was so cool. We will miss this property so much. Look at the back area of our property, it's so beautiful. As the work trip is coming to an end, the place nostalgia is hitting hard. Such a beautiful property to stay. Guys, you will not believe I drove a car in Goa. I drove Artiga in Goa. It was such a wonderful experience to drive car in Goa. I was able to take everyone back home, back to our resort where we were staying. And since the roads are new, so it's a little tough to navigate. But yeah, nevertheless, had so much fun driving the car in Goa. I'm used to driving both manual as well as automatic car. And this car was Artiga, my most favorite car. And I'm the most comfortable driving Artiga, and that's why I was able to drive this car in Goa. All my office friends were there, and I had the responsibility to drop them off safely, and that's what I did. And everybody were very happy. Many people have license, but because of no practice, they don't know how to drive. So driving is all about practice. So keep practicing and keep driving.
Tomorrow.
Is this like a good spot? My room. I
Oh,
didn't want to dance.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
Not really interested.
Yeah,
in
yeah. Yeah. No, I'm taking
थोड़ा एसी ऑन करो गरम है
वो బ్లాక్ అండ్ ఎవరికి మంది ఎక్కుతుంది చెప్పు ఎవరికి మంది ఎక్కుతుంది చెప్పు
మందు ఎక్కువ తాగినోడికి ఎక్కుతుంది
లేదు అందరూ హ్యాపీగా.
And we have finally reached at the Fat Fish restaurant for having lunch. What a presentation! This is a traditional Goan thali, has fish items, crab items, specific Goa vegetables, and this was paneer tikka for vegetarian. This is the star item for the lunch, the king fish, king tandoori fish. So amazing. That's all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you loved watching all the sections of the vlog, my office trip, the Goa scenery. I hope this helps. This was a really emotional trip for me as well, because it was happening after a long time, and specifically because it was happening in Goa, so it made it very special. I hope you loved watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you all in our next video. Bye, take care, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till here. It means a lot. I really hope you loved watching this video. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.